The fuck? Sir, what are you doing?
Pick a card.
Buddy, I'm not an Uber, okay? Are you robbing me?
I didn't say I was robbing you. I said pick a card. Come on, a card. You know, clubs, hearts.
You want me to say a card?
Yes.
Ace.
Oh, ace. And a suit?
Spades.
I just knew you were gonna say that card. Drive.
So my wife is in the hospital. She's about to give birth.
Drive. Exit the hospital, and then go right towards the strip, because
Sir,
I like the lights.
I have an emergency, okay? It's a family emergency.
I'm your family emergency now. Drive.
Drive where?
Jesus Christ. Drive!
Where do you want me to go?
What the fuck are you looking at?
Hey, I really need to get back to the hospital.
Turn here. Here.
Listen, I just want to say that whatever it is that you want, it's yours. I mean it. Just want you to understand.
Now you're gonna talk about your family.
What?
You're gonna dive into the bit about your family, about how much you love them with all your heart and all your goddamn soul.
Yeah, I was.
Well, isn't that a bit of a cliche?
I need to interview the survivors immediately. Every second that passes.
Statute 4, paragraph 3 states decontamination protocol must be...
Protocol? It is protocol to contact the Senate at first contact.
I'm guessing Ryle wants to know what we're facing before he starts a panic.
And I need to determine whether first contact was a net positive or negative for either species while the events are still fresh in their minds. Let me do my job.
Ryle's 3 minutes out. Why aren't you back at your post?
What's going on here?
Eyes open, mouth shut.
Are you okay? Shit.
Or I will shoot!
That's a fucking soldier. Back up! Out! Out!
Aim for the eyes!
Bitch spit acid and melted her face. What the fuck was that?
Hostiles are on the base. I repeat, hostiles are on the base.
I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry!
Fast and hold your position.
Doc, get out of there. Get out of the way.
You want to fuck it or kill it?
Doc, move!
I'm making an executive decision.
Survivors of the Vander, sir.
Put the base on lockdown. No one gets out. Where's Ford?
Sir, last time I saw him, he was headed to the arsenal.
Fuck.